Guys, RTT back here for another video, guys. Today, I want to give my review of Launcher 10 on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. And I'm going to tell you right now, I have never in my life thought I'd love Launcher 10 on a device more than the Z Flip 5. Now, the only problem, unlike the Z Fold 5, where, let me go ahead and pull that out for you guys. When you are using Launcher 10 on the Z Fold 5, and I go ahead and unlock it, you can see that the outside display does have, Launcher 10. The inside display also has Launcher 10. If you did not see my video yesterday, it's broken after the One UI 5.1.1 update. So, I'm holding on using it with the Z Fold 5 still, because I want to really, I want to hold on to the dream, okay? But for the Z Flip 5, it's actually so amazing. But again, like I said, the outside display, no, you cannot actually use it on the outside display. It's kind of a negative, I will say. And let me get my fingerprint to read there. It's kind of a negative, but no, the outside display, you can see, it is just that. Now, there are launchers that you can use with the outside display, which is really cool. But Launcher 10 for the Z Flip 5 is only going to be an inside display type of scenario, which isn't really that big of a deal. But it looks absolutely gorgeous. And I can't even stress that enough. So, it's almost like it was made perfectly for this phone. And if you guys have never seen Launcher 10, this is what Launcher 10 is. It gives you the old Windows 8, Windows tile type vibes. It gives you the old Windows OS days, back when Windows actually made cell phones and didn't make the Microsoft Surface Duo 1 and 2. I digress on that subject. You already know I would get heated if I talked about it. But it's kind of like that aspect. The thing about Launcher 10, though, and yes, you can do it sideways, but it looks absolutely horrendous. You might want to keep it like this at all times. Is that Launcher 10 does give you so much customizable features. It gives you so much ability to really just make your phone your own phone. And again, as I said many times, you can resize different widgets from really big to really small. I know I probably sound really weird there because I do have a speech impediment, guys. R's and W's I cannot say, so I apologize for that. Nonetheless, though, and you can see I have everything set up now. I will say when I first went ahead and set up Launcher 10, it took me like 2 or 3 restarts before it actually worked correctly, and this is after updating to the One UI 5.1.1. As I said with the Z Fold 5, it for some reason breaks with Launcher 10. I don't know why, but it just breaks with Launcher 10. So I still have issues now when I got One UI 5.1.1 updated. When I would move applications, they wouldn't select in the correct orientation, and they would actually get stuck in certain orientations. I couldn't move certain applications, certain places. It was so stupid, but after 5 resets, and I'm not kidding, I counted 5 resets, it finally fixed itself. So, I'm happy it fixed itself because, like I said, at least it's not like the Z Fold 5 or the Z Fold 4 where Launcher 10 would just crash every 10 seconds. I digress. Again, like I said, it's still annoying, but it works okay now, and I'm happy about that. With that being said, Launcher 10, you can always add different widgets to your home screen. So if you want to add even more than just the custom tiles, you can always add different different widgets to that home screen, which is always awesome. Of course, you can also get live wallpapers. You can get live icons. So if I click on any icon like this and I go to edit, I can of course go ahead and scroll down, and I do have the ability for live tiles. Now, you do have to buy the subscription service to get this, but it's not really a subscription service. It's a one-time fee. I think it's like $7, which again is some money, but you get it for life. Like, you don't pay yearly, you don't pay monthly. It is a lifetime, one-time purchase. I believe you can actually get a monthly subscription for like, I think it's like 50 cents. It's like crazy, but nonetheless, though, you can also get the lifetime for like $7. So, with that being said, you can also, of course, change the different colors of the labels, the icons. You can change the different icons. Like, again, you can make this as customized as humanly possible. it's, again, my personal opinion the best just because of the way it looks. I know not everyone loves that Windows S type look when it comes to the icons. I can't get enough of it. So, with that being said, guys, definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I just wanted to kind of show it off on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 because I just picked it up today. And again, the only thing that sucks is the outside display doesn't have it, but it's not really that big of a deal at the end of the day. So I just wanted to show this off and hear your opinions down below. Which launcher are you personally rocking on the Z Flip 5? I'm going to be showing off a lot of different launchers on my channel, so expect this to be one of many videos of the Z Flip 5. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.